Why'd you press record?
Because I had to press record and then the flag.
Oh, okay. Alright, you guys. Damn, is it really that dark? We made it. We are here at Premium OC. We're waiting on Chris. I don't know where he's at. But his 3RS is right there. And his SVJ. That shit's clean as hell. His 3RS is clean as hell too. There's another one next to it, but I don't know. That one looks like it has some sort of kit on it. I don't know, but yeah, look. We have two 3RSs right here, and then we have a SVJ and then a G80. Damn, bro, this is sick. Just being here, badass.
Bro, okay.
Look at this dude. Got OC rolls with Chris. Chris is live streaming right now on YouTube.
What's up, you guys? We're taking the SVJ. We got fucking Ozzy. We're taking the SVJ to the first meet. It's been gone for 7 weeks. We had to replace the starter.
This is sick, bro. Damn, this shit's huge.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Whoa. This thing is huge. Figuring out how to drop the seats now.
Here, if you want to drive the Beamer.
You're gonna be like, damn, this thing has carbon. And up there. And back there. Bro, this shit's huge. I love how the doors sound, bro. It's the one thing I always liked about these. Damn, they were not lying when this shit's heavy.
Okay, turn that, rotate. Where we going with it? Put it right here. Rotate, right here? Rotate.
Bro, this shit's heavy as fuck.
Yeah, man, this is dropping the whole fucking foot.
Bro, that shit's heavy. Bro, that shit's heavy. Thank you, my boy. Alright, we are getting ready. SVJ, the G-Wagon, 4x4 square, the 3RS. I don't know. I think there's, yeah, there you go, the premium, little premium truck right there. It's heading out too. Let's see. Eesh. Boy. Damn. I really fuck with the wheels on this thing too, bruh. I always say it. Brushed gold. And then silver.
Go for it.
Oh,
Beamer. Wait, what's happening?
We're right now. We're squatting deep.
Startup. I don't know when was the last time we turned that shit on, but let's hear it. Damn. New exhaust coming soon. This shit's bad. Bro, the G-Wagon has star lighting. That's fucking insane. I gotta keep remembering to zoom out of the camera because in the last video that you guys have already watched, if you're peeping the channel, there was a clip where like the camera's like,
You said it was my phone.
because I think you had the camera before, or I think I had just zoomed in on Chris's car. I don't remember. Point is, I gotta start remembering. About to head out though. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think, cars. Damn, we're rolling deep. This is funny.
Why those zeros?
Where's the OG camera person?
Where's Emily? Come in.
Let's go. Look at that. Bro, that thing's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Bro, that shit's crazy. I can't believe we finally got it back after so many damn issues. The starter gave out on him. I don't know if you guys know that. If you guys watch him, which you guys should. The starter gave out on the SVJ literally the day after he took the delivery of it. So when I dropped the delivery video, the car was already like done. But yeah, he finally got it back up and running. He said he's gonna take it out this weekend. And then after that, he's gonna do juicy stuff. He already showed me, I already saw everything. It's just badass, bro. It's gonna look sick. doing? The way he was like pushing the gas. Or even that shit just idling sounds beautiful. Alright, you guys, we made it to the gas station. We're a little bit early. The meet doesn't start for like another hour, but there already is a good amount of people here, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Decent, bro. Damn. Yeah, we made it. Let's go over this caution tape. Whoa. Who was that? We got Chris's 2 gems right here. Crazy. This shit's loud as fuck. My God. Even this thing is loud too. When it went under that underpass. My God.
Everybody here saw it.
Straight hit the curb. Fuck. Bro, just look at this freaking lot. I'm pretty sure this thing is gonna get packed as hell. I'm sure it will, bro. Will we get kicked out? I hope not, because the cops in this city are low-key strict, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Chill.
Oh, dude, we feeling.
Bro, you are iced.
7-Eleven connections, you know?
He's iced out, bro.
I'm trying to be like you, man. I'm
Something I'm really noticing about this meet is that there's a lot of bikers. A lot. I wonder where they're parking. Because I haven't seen any of them park in here at all. I'm here. We're gonna instigate, bro. Let's see. Oh shit.
That's what I'm asking. I will hop off my dick. It's a private event. Go get your Slurpee.
Oh. Bro, he almost crushed his own hand.
Hey, get the camera. It's like a cornball because I want to get a Slurpee.
No, go get your Slurpee. Go get your Slurpee.
Palabra. The fuck? I just got off work. Up on my dick.
No, here, go get your Slurpee.
Who are you, nigga?
The camera's instigate, bro.
Who the fuck are you? Who? Your whole little group. Who the fuck are you guys?
Go get your Slurpee, man. Thank you for coming. See,
What the
this is like behind the scenes.
Yeah,
We deal with. Yeah.
This is what you guys don't see on the cameras, bro.
Yeah. Chris deals with it. I deal with it. And
I knew he had to what's going on. And the funniest thing, you have to act professional too.
Oh, yeah.
You can't say shit back, and you have to bite your tongue. That's the worst part. You have to be like professional about it.
Well, no,
That's the hard part.
He doesn't know what's happening.
Oh yeah.
Imagine driving in here and
I
seeing
told
all this
G
and being
to
like, I
block
think
it.
this is normal. I'm gonna go get a Slurpee right now.
We'll see what happens when he comes back out. RA showed up. Wait, that's freaking Brian. Sheesh. And Roosh. Hey. Oh, that's just crazy. Go. Look at that shit. Parachute. Not one, but 2 Lamborghinis showed up. Yours and an STO. I'm gonna get my girl. She didn't want to come the first time, so coming to the car together. Let's see. Bro, I got a Boyer hat somehow. But my transmitter's gonna die, so maybe at any given moment, I'm gonna switch to my phone. I don't even know what percent my phone's at though. 40.
You can't go charge it?
I could charge it actually. I'll probably charge it, but yeah. Do I look funny?
Yeah.
2 damn hats on. Meet is getting more crowded, but people are starting to rev, and you already know where that leads when people start revving. This shit's gonna get shut down quick. Bro, look how small the regular G-Wagon looks compared to this thing, monstrosity. Crazy. Bro, everyone is starting to rev. Arusha was over there revving the last clip. I think Chris is about to rev too. There's way too many people here in this small ass lot. Map 4, bro. You're crazy. Woo!
Was it coming out big?
Yeah, bro, that thing came out good.
Okay, good. Good?
I was like
good.
right there on the floor. This thing is so damn proud of them. They're not letting these cars park, bro. The GTR right there. Oh. Ew. My God. What is that GTR gonna do? Nothing? Nah. I just realized Lavish parked right here. I saw him on my way to the restroom. Looks like we have a Technica and a pink RA coming in. Yeah? Well, like he's gonna try to come in. I don't know. There's literally no more space, bro. Oh, there's two Lambos. Wait, that one spits flames big. We should go. He might do it. Another RA, bro. One, and then there's a pink one right here. Holy. I want to see if this Huracan's gonna do a flame or not. Let's see. It's this dude. He shoots huge ass flames. Oh, hell, bro. Oh shit, Moises said let's hear it. Holy shit. Bro, we're packed. We're literally capped out capacity, bro. Supercars are still showing up, bro. That looks fast as fuck. Woo! Belix all around. And we have an F8 out of nowhere. Wow. I thought the supercars were done showing up. Wow. Moises. Look what else we have showing up, bro.
Back it up, please. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Push back. Push back. Push back.
He revs it when I'm over there. Oh. Another Huracan? Alright? Bro, what the fuck? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's crazy, bro.
I got this RA and that's it.
Of course, Chris revs it when I'm not over there, bro. The R8 is finally free to see. Supercharged R8. I love the exhaust right here. Bro, look at this 600 LT. Carbon. Look at the tint it has. It's like pink-ish. This thing is badass. I love 600 LTs. I love them. Oh, a spider? What the hell? A Huracan spider? Thing's gonna bust a bitch, yep. Alright, you guys. After an hour of straight revving, after an hour of just straight revving, the cops finally showed up. Damn. Looks like there's just 2 of them so far. 3 of them now. Damn. Damn, Chad, we're good. Fucking Arusha. Bro, more cops showed up. Oh my god. Damn. They're saying that whoever stays here is gonna go to jail. Do they have that many handcuffs? Do they? Bro, I mean, there's still a good amount of people here, to be honest. Huh? All right, you guys, we are heading out. We got Riley, Chris's GT3, his SVJ, and we have a GT3 back there, R8, and another R8, STO. Damn, everyone came this way. Go, 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 go. Oh, he turned his car off.
What the heck? Slow down, babe.
No, he's gonna get him. Oh my, wait. No. Who's he going after?
Going after?
Don't tell me he's going after Chris, bro. Don't tell me. Bro, me and this fool got lucky.
No, you guys were popping and popping. The cop for sure saw.
I think he's going after Chris. Alright, you guys. I'm filming my outro on my phone because camera took a dump, the battery. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I sure as hell did. It was a good ass meet, and then the premium was fire too. Shout out to Chris and his team for having me around. I don't know. I feel like I don't want to seem annoying. I don't know, but
No, they're all really nice though.
oh yeah, they're chill as fuck. Shout out to them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, because I post meets like this. Sick ass meets.
Subscribe if you're new. Oh yeah, like a new watcher. Sorry.
Yeah, new watcher. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. What?
We're gonna be huge.